Pinababalik ng Philippine National Police ang natanggap na lump sum bilang bahagi ng retirement pay ng nasibak na pulis na si Wilfredo Gonzales.
Yes, he was able to receive his call, which is actually entitled talaga siya doon. That's basically the terminal leave earned credits na yun. Nakatanggap din siya ng 3-year lump sum pension po. 3 years, starting 2016 up to 2019. But when we received the dismissal order, when the PRBS was able to receive the dismissal order, his monthly pension, which is supposed to start in 2019, it was not anymore activated. So basically, he is not anymore receiving pension from us.
Aabot daw yan sa halos 600,000 piso. Ayon kay PNP Retirement and Benefits Administration Service Director Brigadier General Nino Rabaya, magpapadala na sila ng demand letter kay Gonzales. Reklamong sibil daw ang naghihintay sa kanya sakaling hindi nito maisoli ang pera.
We will be taking civil action against him. We have already referred this to our legal.
Noong 2017, ibinaba ang dismissal order kay Gonzales dahil sa grave misconduct. Dininay ang kanyang motion for reconsideration hanggang ito ay naisapinal noong 2019. Samantala, tiniyak ni PNP Chief General Benjamin Acorda na pinal ang anumang magiging desisyon ng People's Law Enforcement Board o PLEB, kung saan sinampahan naman ng reklamo ang 3 pulis QC. Dahil sa di umano'y bigo nitong protektahan ang siklista na nakaalitan ni Gonzales.
If they were charged sa pleb, merong kwan sila dyan. It's a composition of so many sectors. May mga legal, may mga teachers, and meron din sa religious. And the decision of the pleb is ang matatawag natin final and executory.
Hindi rin nagustuhan ng publiko ang ginawang pagpresenta kay Gonzales ni dating QCPD District Director Brigadier General Nicolas Torre na tila pagkakanlong pa raw sa dating kabaro, dahilan para magbitiw ito sa pwesto. Nitong hapon, formal na pinalitan si Torre sa posisyon ni dating PNP Public Information Chief Brigadier General Rederico Maranan. Sa turnover ceremony, binigyang parangal ng Quezon City at National Capital Region Police Office si Torre para sa kanyang dedikasyon sa QCPD.
May baril.
Chrissy De Matulak, CNN Philippines.